comes Kuda Liange Ayamal Akal. Aluthuate Yel Azita Tarang of Sri Lanka.
And you have the 400 meters hurdles now coming up.
Really, the spectators will be very much blessed to have varieties, different actions, running, throwing, jumping. If they are not happy with one particular field, they can move on to the next.
You know, that's why on our live channel, you get these various questions. When are you showing this? You know, when are you showing this? Now, remember, you can only see one item at one time. So the lineup here for the men's 400 meters, Masood in 2, Rai Benjamin, and now runs in the US colors. But let's concentrate on the SAF athletes out here.
Yes.
So they are here now for the 400 meters hurdles. The first of the 16 finals. 4x400 is the last event of the evening here today. So some of them will be seen in action, hopefully in the 4x400 as well. Masood 2, Bak 3, Hussain 4, Akalanka 5, Mori 6, Tharang 7, Tharu 8. How I wish there was a bigger crowd, Muthu, here to watch them.
Today, yeah, we have a big crowd, being Sunday and the last day.
And wonderful climate. So there they set off now. This is the first of the hurdles that they're going to clear. And clear with ease. Look at lane number 7 there. The Tharang of Sri Lanka. In 8, Tharu as well. Nepal. This is where it will all start happening. The Indians are now wanting to catch up. The one next to him is Ruchit Modi going strong.
Yes, he is catching up now, and Ruchit Modi is trying to catch Tharang of Sri Lanka is well ahead, and this is the point where Ruchit Modi is moving ahead. Of course, Akalanka of Sri Lanka from lane number 5 is also getting ahead, and it is between Akalanka and Modi.
You might have Bag catching up there. There is Bag. It is Modi. It's the Sri Lankan. Modi goes ahead. Lane number 6 it is. Ruchit Modi, who broke the 50-second barrier. You can see the
1,000